Good day, everybody. I hope everybody are keeping safe. We heard about, everybody knows about this coronavirus going around, and it's so sad that it's taking so much life, and they killed loads of people. We had a few family friends that died of this coronavirus. May their soul rest in peace. This is just an educational clip to educate all our friends and family and everybody about how to keep safe. Please, when I went to the supermarket, I've been observing people from the public reusing gloves, reusing masks, using wipes, and still using it to wipe the edge of their trolley in the supermarket and still putting it in their pocket. Please, can we stop doing that? It's cross-contamination. You can buy these wipes. It's in Aldi, it's about 80 pence, and then once you use it, it's use one and throw away, dispose it. You can't be using one wipe to wipe the trolley where everybody are using, and then you put it in your pocket, you see another trolley, you wipe it. We are cross-contaminating things. Use it once and dispose it. Even the same thing with our mask. The mask is meant to be used for, I think it's 3 hours, and people are using it. I think since this pandemic has started, people have been using only one mask. The mask is easy to use. You will see at the end of the video how to make the mask. It's easy. You can actually use paper towel to use the mask, and then put elasticated band on at the edge and clip it just the way I did it. I will take you through the process, and I'm very sure you will have seen loads of video to show you how to make homemade mask. I made this myself, and this is it. The supermarket, once I finish, I throw it out, throw it away. It's homemade, and you don't need to be worried about cross-contamination, or you are buying unsterile mask. Please, we should stop reusing this mask or reusing our gloves. Some people has got one glove for the whole decade, using it and reusing it. You are cross-contaminating. Please stop bringing it into your home. When you use gloves, mask, or wipes, throw it away. I've got one of my uncle, he's 74 years old. He did about only God knows how many, maybe 50 about this mask, and because I educated him, when he's going out, he puts a black bin at the outside his by his entrance. He just, when he goes out, he use one mask or the gloves, he just throw it in the bag, and that's the end of the gloves. If you use your handkerchief, wash it properly. Wash it properly. All these are just preventative measures. The most important thing they say we should be doing is washing our hands. This is about 50p in Aldi. Just buy, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Obviously, whilst you are in your car or you are traveling, you can't wash your hand in the public. But you've got hand sanitizer. Thanks to NHS, give us this, and they're selling it everywhere. Sanitize your hands. Wipe your hands. I've got this in my car that I give to my kids when we go shopping. We just coming back, we use it to wipe our hands. Please don't put it in your pocket. You throw it away. It's disposable. It's not reusable. Don't reuse it. Once you wipe your hands, you wipe a bit of the bacteria off. It's not 100%. Hand washing is the 100% that is recommended. Once you do that, it's just to sustain and remove the bacteria off your hands until you get to your destination or your home. Then you properly wash your hands. When you do that, you can put the alcohol gel and just put it in your hands and wipe it, and then you know that you are safe. You wipe it like this, wipe it this way, you rub it in between your fingers, your nails. You make sure that it penetrates through, and then after that, after you've used the wipe, you dispose it in the bin. and then you sanitize your hands with the sanitizer. Then when you get home, you must wash your hands. Hand washing is the solution. Please, I'm begging you, stop reusing the gloves 100 times. It's cross-contamination. Stop reusing the wipes. It's cross-contamination. All you have to do, even the mask is supposed to last 3 hours, and however, if you use it for the whole journey, when you go out, please dispose it. You can do your own handmade mask, which is being shown everywhere around, or after this you will see how to make your own handmade mask by using kitchen towel. It's easy and simple and direct, and then you can still protect yourself, but it's one single use only. Once you finish, throw it away and come home and make another one. You only need the rubber band, which I bought in B&M. It's only £1.50 and it's 200 pieces. And then you need your stapler, and then you need your kitchen towel, which is simple, and then you're ready to make your mask. My uncle, as I said, made almost about 50 of it. When he goes out, because he's been enlightened and educated about how to use all these things, when he goes out, he uses it, he disposes it. However, if you can't do that, use your handkerchief and then use it to cover your mouth and your nose. When you come home, throw it in the washing machine. You cannot be reusing it. You are cross-contaminating things. Please, let's look after ourselves and save life and keep safe. And then, if you see any symptoms of this virus, you are advised to isolate yourself for 7 to 14 days. Drink plenty water. Isolate yourself from your family. Isolate yourself from your friend. Don't circulate this infection. It's life-threatening. Please isolate yourself. Drink plenty water. Warm water, they say, is recommended. Drink plenty warm water, and they keep safe. Look after yourself. Have your shower. Good hygiene kills these things all. Please, we have to continue keeping safe. The vulnerable people that were mentioned are the people, elderly people. Please, you have to isolate yourself. If you have your family, call them to do shopping for you, do cooking. I've been doing that for my uncle. The pregnant woman, the young children, they are all vulnerable. Or people with underlying health condition needs to look after themselves. As I said in the video, this is how you can make your own homemade mask without going out of your pocket to buy any mask. You just roll it here, roll it again, and pant it, roll it again, and go the other way, roll it. You've done both sides. It's like our fan when we were young. We used to make fan, and then you start fanning yourself. But in this case, we are going to make it to be our mask. So this is, you put the rubber band at the edge of the paper towel. It's paper towel. It's kitchen paper towel. Then you clip it. You clip one side. The clipper is not clipping well. You clip one side, that's clipped. Then you do the other one and clip. You clip again just to make sure that it doesn't remove. Then that's clipped. Then your mask is ready. Before you do that, make it bigger to make sure that your mask is ready. You can see it's ready. Then clip. Clip. You can see. And this could last for 3 hours, and you don't need to spend so much money buying masks and you know that some of the masks are not sterile and they're contaminated, is dangerous. So this is how you make your homemade mask, which is easy and simple. We have to keep safe, please. May the Lord Almighty look after us, and we have to look after ourselves. If Almighty is looking after us, we have to look after ourselves. As they say, heaven help those who help themselves. Thank you very much. Continue keeping safe, and thanks to our NHS. I'm NHS worker as well. Thanks to our NHS for working so hard and being in the front line, saving life and looking after people. May the Lord Almighty rewards you guys abundantly. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to this channel and put your notification in so that you'll be the first to know when I display another video. Thank you very much for watching. Keep safe.